In astrology, Mars in Scorpio isn't just about intensity. It's about harnessing that intensity for transformation. Like mine, if your Mars resides in Scorpio, you are a force of nature with a burning drive that pushes you to the depths of emotional experiences, uncovering hidden truths, and embarking on personal rebirths. And if you just so happen to be a Virgo sun with this natal placement of Mars in Scorpio, you may express this powerful Mars energy through a blend of intellectual curiosity and practical action, making you a strategic force with a clear mission. Mars in Scorpio doesn't shy away from challenges. In fact, it seeks them out. You thrive in the realm of the unseen, using your intuition to detect subtle shifts and hidden motives in your environment. It's not enough to simply win. You crave meaningful victories that resonate with your inner sense of transformation and power. When you're focused, nothing can stand in your way, whether in the workplace or your personal pursuits, such as your creative projects or entrepreneurial ventures. With Mars in Scorpio, your passion is magnetic, drawing people toward you who can handle your intensity. But don't mistake your depth for vulnerability. You're a master at protecting your emotional landscape. The blend of Scorpio's precision with Mars' raw, passionate, and fiery power gives you the ability to work behind the scenes, using your analytical mind and intense energy to uncover truths and solve complex problems with precision. It's this combination that makes you an astute strategist, capable of bringing about lasting change, especially when you're driven by a mission that aligns with your deep values. When you're not pushing toward success, you're constantly evolving. Whether through self-reflection, transformative meditation, or learning new methods to break free from past limitations, you're always seeking ways to reinvent yourself. Mars in Scorpio gifts you with resilience, the ability to not only bounce back from adversity, but to come back stronger, wiser, and more powerful. So for someone like you, Mars in Scorpio isn't just a placement, it's a lifestyle. You take charge, delve into your passions, and approach life as a series of opportunities for transformation and self-empowerment. Now that you've heard about the powerful energy of Mars in Scorpio, I want to know, how do you experience this intense placement in your own chart? Do you feel that inner drive pushing you toward transformation, or have you found unique ways to channel that Scorpio power in your life? Drop a comment below and share your experiences, or ask any questions you have about Mars and Scorpio. Let's dive deep into this transformative energy together.